Dart skill presents constructing parallel and perpendicular lines. Straight lines that travel in the same direction and maintain a fixed distance between them are called parallel lines. Arrowheads are used to indicate that the lines are parallel. As you can see over here, the distance between the two lines is always fixed. They neither come closer nor do they go farther. Just as you know, straight lines continue forever and ever. There's no end to straight lines. So if you were to extend these straight lines, they will never come to cross each other, either on this side or on this side. So we say these are parallel lines. Perpendicular lines are straight lines that cross each other at 90 degrees. And they represent the letter L in English. So the angle at this point is a 90 degrees, and to show 90 degrees we just draw a small box. This symbol indicates the angle out here is a 90 degrees, just as you would see on the letter L. Note that even if the L were to be rotated through a certain angle, you would still have a 90 degrees between these two straight lines. This line and this line also look to be perpendicular, at least that's what I meant, and so I drew this box over here to indicate that the angle out there is a 90 degrees. And these are called perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. In a two-dimensional plane, two straight lines that are not parallel have to cross each other at a certain point. Such straight lines are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. And this point is called the point of intersection. Note that perpendicular lines are also intersecting lines because the lines actually meet at a point or cross each other if you were to draw them beyond that point. Consider a straight line that goes like this and another one that goes like this. The picture doesn't show a point of intersection. Does that mean the two straight lines are parallel? No, the distance between the two straight lines is not fixed. As you can see, as you move from left to right, the two straight lines are coming closer and closer. Like I said, straight lines extend forever and ever on both sides. There's no end. So if we were to extend this straight line on this side and do the same on this one, we see that they do have a point of intersection. They do cross each other, but only at a point that was not shown on the picture. So let's keep in mind, you may or may not see the point of intersection on the picture, but that doesn't mean that the two straight lines are parallel. You got to look at the distance between the straight lines and figure out if it's fixed or it keeps changing.